merci.
We. Where we going today, Mom?
Lafayette Rooftop.
Gallery Lafayette Rooftop and JCap. FNAC?
Yes, FNAC. FNAC.
What's an FNAC, Chris?
It's the European Best Buy.
Okay, FNAC. So we're going to FNAC. For that, you copy.
All right. Bon année. That's Happy New Year. Bon année. Bon année. Bon année.
Scott family, for all of the blessings that God has bestowed upon us, for an amazing trip so far, and to what I hope to be will be an amazing 2022. I love you all. Happy New Year. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. What just fell down? I was a charger. You vlog?
You vlog?
You vlog?
Yeah, a vlogger stopped me today. He had 200,000 subscribers.
Oh, Dad, his videos are weird.
You saw him?
Yeah, I searched it up and I put his video, one of the titles in Google Translate.
Really?
It says, well, I'm not going to say one of the words, but you probably just fill it in. Girl shows me her on live. Exclamation point, question mark.
So we just brought in the new year in Paris. Happy New Year 2020 from Paris.
Chris is special on Spanish channel because of what I just said.
Of course.
No, because I thought there would be something interesting on
Nah, you know Chris is down.
Girl shows me her beep online. Chris says, what's his name?
No, I was pulling out my computer before she said that. So the evidence does not show.
We are a family, Alice.
I don't like brothers.
You're a monkey.
They're mean.
Nobody likes you either.
It's my jam.
What is going on?
If I didn't know you, I'd be concerned. If I didn't know you, I'd be concerned.
Bon appetit.
My armpits
Did I say
stink.
that right?
That's why I need
Bon
a shower.
appetit. Bon année.
Bon année.
Bon année. Arc de Triomphe.
Notre Dame.
La Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
The Champs-Élysées.
Like, you know how much I pressed like that last month? Just like everything. For it to just like halt at that airport that night, like everything. The passports, the vaccines, the applications, the tests, the visas, the money, the money, the house, the bills, the everything, the business, the clients, the following up, the emails, like hours.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Hours of just thinking and putting, and then it just like, we was
Sorry,
sitting
you're
in
not
that.
getting on this flight.
We was sitting in that hotel.
No,
and
we
it
were
was
sitting
like
on the,
all
on the
over.
ground outside the airport.
Oh, that was terrible.
My bird just lost it outside. Oh, it was rough. And then we got to the hotel. She lost it again.
I'm just gonna kill myself.
No, and Manny, you said we're going home. You know how you get?
Yeah.
Y'all wasn't in our room. We're going home. We go get it. I ain't gonna be sitting at your daddy's house wondering if we going home. And it just felt so like I felt like we failed if we went back home. Like it was just too much effort put in. It would felt like it would have just been in vain. We've been working and looking and having the kids study different cities and all the itinerary and all the YouTube videos and just like hours and hours of preparation and anticipation of this trip. So like that, I mean, and we had to talk about a Hail Mary. So Portugal it was.
Portugal it
and
was.
then and then getting the test in New York that morning, having to do and finding a place to stay. But I mean, having said all of that, it's been a great trip in spite of all of that.
Yeah.
But I mean, that was a talk about. But then that's what I was saying. Part of me was like, okay, if we stop now, like, I don't think it would have been good for any of us.
But here we are, men of faith.
Plan D.
Plan D, really, literally.